Hi everyone, it's Wednesday morning. So for breakfast today I have baked oat muffins with Nutella and peanut butter inside them. It's made 6, so for 3 sins, between the lot of them this is going to work out at 1.5 sins because I've got 3 out of the 6. I've just put 1 teaspoon of Nutella in and then 1 tablespoon of the powdered peanut butter mixed with water, which works out 1.5 sins as well. So with that I've just got some strawberries, and then I've just near enough finished off a rhubarb like fruit tea. Don't usually drink them, but I found them in the cupboard, so I thought I'd try one and I really enjoyed it. So I think I'm going to continue to have that in the morning as part of like my water allowance for the day. But that's going to be my breakfast this morning at 1.5 sins, using 40 grams of oats as my healthy B choice. So for dinner today I've got another half of a quiche that I made yesterday with ham, mushrooms, tomatoes, red onion, spring onions, ham, and then spinach. I've used cottage cheese in that as well, so it's all sin free. For half a sin I've got some bachelor's couscous. That's half a sin for the roasted vegetable one. I really enjoy that, and I just made it this morning ready for my dinner because I don't like to eat that warm. And then for my tea tonight I was going to have some roasted like parsnips and carrots, so I made them this morning as well because they take quite a while and then I could just reheat them later. But I realised I had no beetroot, so I'm going to have to get some of that when I go shopping later on tonight. So it's a good job I actually made some of them so I can have carrots as my speed. And then I'm probably going to have some fruit afterwards. For my drink I've also got a still perfectly clear bottle of water. I usually keep the little bottles for if I'm going out anywhere, so it stops me like having to buy a drink while I'm out, and it keeps me on plan. But I just fancied one today, and they're quite cheap. They're like 4 for 70 odd pence in like Home Bargains and B&M's and stuff like that. So that's going to be my dinner today at half a sin. I'm 4:20, so I'm just having some pear and pineapple. I've already ate half of it. I just cut up ones that I had and put it into a little tub that I had left over from some fruit this morning. And then I've also just got one of my baked oats, so then I've got 2 more left for 1.5 sin for the day. But that's what I'm going to have for now. So for tea tonight I just have a chicken breast like butterfly style, where it's cut into the middle and then like folded out, with my healthy A, 40 grams of reduced fat cheese, mixed herbs on top, and then just some tomatoes sliced over, and then that was just putting some tin foil in the oven. Roasted some tomatoes and red onion with a little bit of garlic salt on the top. Again, roasted some parsnips and carrots from earlier. I did some more to snack on tomorrow, but I haven't got them on my plate. And then I just did some wedges. They are sin free with just a bit of salt and pepper on. And then I've just got a tablespoon of tomato sauce for half a sin. So for my tea tonight that's going to be using my healthy A and half a sin for the tomato sauce. So now that I've finished my tea, I'm going to have the last 2 remaining baked oats from this morning, so that's going to equal 3 for the whole baked oats throughout the day. And then I'm going to have a dairy milk for 11 sins, taking my total to 14.5. And then I might have the flump for 2, I'm not entirely sure yet, which will take me over. But for now I'm just going to have the dairy milk and the baked oats. So the last thing I'm going to have before I go to bed is just one of the Morrison's Diet Cola cans. I ended up having both the flump and the dairy milk bar, so that's 13 sins for those, plus the 3.5 that I had earlier on for my breakfast and for the couscous. I'm going to be ending the day on 16.5. It's a little over, but I'm going to try and have less tomorrow just to even it out. But I'm going to be ending the day on 16.5 sins. So thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Bye.